Are you ready to draw something healthy and green today? Yes, it's a cucumber. Cucumbers are cool, crunchy, and super fun to draw. So grab your markers and let's get started.
Hey kids, it's BooBoo time! Grab your pencil, it's sketching time!
Great! Now it's time to color our cucumber. Let's use a nice green color. You can choose dark green or light green, or even mix both. Color it all the way from top to bottom. Make it look fresh and yummy.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Pick your colors bold or bright. Make BooBoo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your BooBoo's made by you.
Let's add a little sparkle to make our cucumber extra fun! You can add glitter on the skin to make it look fresh and shiny. Now it looks like a magic veggie.
Ooh, it's glitter time. Ooh, let's make art sparkle and shine.
Yay! You did such a great job drawing your cucumber. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can draw with us again next time. See you soon, little artists.